misdemeanor, pagkatapos, it includes also offenses and penalties. Let me ask you, what do you mean by misdemeanor? These are being created by what? These are ordinances by the local government. Okay? Mga ordinansa to. Okay? These are ordinance by the local government unit. Okay? Now, when we talk, balik tayo sa CJS. When we talk of the offense or offenses, ano ito? Saan ito? These are the special laws. Okay? Ano yung mga special laws yan? Republic Act, PD, Presidential Decree. Okay? Those violations, those laws, yan ang tawag dyan, yan yung offense. When we talk of felony, what do you mean by felony? Sa CDS natin, ano? Ha? Ano ito? Saan ito ng kapasa? With, ano? RTC. Okay? Pag sinabing felony, lahat po ng cases, lahat ng offenses na created sa RTC, nandiyan penalty, nandiyan po ang batas. Okay? So, misdemeanor, done by the ordinances. Okay? Our ordinances created by the local government unit, the barangay, everything, ordinansa. Okay? When we come up the offenses, there is a penalty, legal special laws po yan, under the PG, Presidential Decree, or Republic Act. Okay? And then when we talk of felony, those that are the revised penal code, included all of the laws, the penalties, the penalties there, the RPC. Before, now, sabi ko nga, penalties refers to the act of commission that is punishable by revised penal code. Okay? Ito namang offenses punishable by what? Special law, Presidential Decree, and Republic Act. Okay. Now, when we talk of juvenile delinquency under the Public Act 1944, as I have said, anong tawag sa kanila? Child in conflict with the law. Child in conflict with the law. CICCL. Okay. Pag sinabi po natin crime, those violations, lahat po, this death or this deals with adults. Okay po? Anong tinatawag po natin adult? Anong edad ng adult na 18 years old pala? That is 18 above. 18 years of age. That is in the prime. Then, we are juvenile delinquency. Okay. Juvenile delinquency, ano mga edad na dito? 18 below, 15 above, 18 below. Okay. Walang eksaktong 18 ha, pag 18 dito na, adult na. Remember? Okay. There are dealings. Pagdating sa adult, number 1, the crime is an act committed by an adult. Pagdating dito sa criminal ito, ang act mo committed by adult. Okay. Understood na po natin yun. And then, dito naman po sa kabila, sa juvenile delinquency, delinquency ang act of commission by minor. Delinquency natin dito, delinquent. An act committed by minor. Okay? Ano pa? Magkakaiba. Then second, we have an act that brings criminal code which is created by the society, then written laws. No? So yung act po natin, created by the society, breaks, no? Broken, nabali yung act, nabali yung laws. So we are here to breaks laws. That are written laws. Okay. Now, ano naman ang sa delinquency? Acts that merely break cultural law. Cultural law or norms. Acts that break cultural law or norm. As I have said, when we talk of norm, these are the standard of the society. Standard rules of the society. Nabali yan. Okay, that is for the delinquency. And ang pangatlo, a person of committed crime can be dealt in accordance with CJS. Agad na po tayo, di ba? So lahat po, person committed. An act dealt with CJS. Okay. So, criminal justice system. Ano yung dealt sa CJS? Remember, the subject nyo ng CJS, criminal justice system, you talk about the pillars. Okay? What are the pillars? Law enforcement. Okay? Law enforcement. Then we have the prosecution. Then we have the court. Then we have the corrections. And we have lastly the community. So, pagdating po dito, pillars sa CJS, dito mag-develop ang those persons who with an act in violation, act dealt with CJS. Okay pa? Yan. Now, in the juvenile delinquency, saan po mag-develop? In the juvenile justice system. Justice. Okay pa? Juvenile justice system. So, magkaiba po yan. Yes. Hindi pwede hihilingin dito, hihilingin dito. Okay po? So, there are qualifications wherein you belong. Those who have committed an act against the CJS laws, mag-develop ka dito. Okay po? 18 and above. That is already in the ato. But if you are a minor,